Welcome back. For years, the residents of two Nigerian communities say they've suffered systemic oil pollution. Today, the High Court ruled that their case against Shell can go ahead. Two regions are affected within the Niger Delta. Bile and Ogale have a combined population of 50,000 people. They say their drinking water was poisoned by the spills. But taking on one of the world's biggest oil giants is no small feat, and it'll be 2027 before the case actually proceeds to trial.
For very nearly 70 years, Shell pumped oil out of the vast delta in southern Nigeria. It sold off all its operations in the country just a few months ago, but the argument over its legacy is still very much a going concern.
They have completely destroyed our ecosystem, our aqua system, our streams.
King Bebe Okpabi spoke to me from his home in Ogale today, where he and his people claim oil pollution has poisoned the water supply. Their case will now be brought to trial at the High Court.
We are very, very, very happy down here, and we are very, very thankful to the British judicial system.
The Ogale community and one other from Bile first started their legal action 10 years ago. They're demanding that Shell take responsibility for the damage caused by oil spills, pay compensation and clean it up. Today, a judge ruled on a number of preliminary issues before the case is heard.
One of the things that Shell was saying was that they could only be held responsible where a spill happened less than 5 years ago. Even if they hadn't cleaned it up, even if that spill is still causing harm in the community. And the court rejected that. The judge said that where they haven't cleaned up a spill, even if it happened decades ago, they could still be liable for the harm that spill is causing.
In a statement, Shell told us today that the vast majority of spills in the Niger Delta have been caused by third parties acting unlawfully, such as oil thieves who drill holes in pipelines or saboteurs. We maintain that we are not liable for the criminal acts of third parties or illegal refining.
Pay us compensation. The millions and millions you're paying lawyers would have given us water.
The King remains hopeful that a deal might be done to settle the dispute before it gets to court. Either way, Shell may have stopped drilling here, but its difficult relationship with this land goes on. Geraint Vincent, News at 10.